Number 1. 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Flat Top, $8,500, Springfield, Illinois. This 1960 Oldsmobile Dynamic 88 Flat Top is powered by the legendary 371 Rocket V8 paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Showing only 23,000 miles, it has been stored for more than 25 years and reportedly will run by feeding fuel directly into the carburetor. The vehicle also comes with a clear history and no significant reported damage. The flat-top body style is one of Oldsmobile's most recognizable designs of the early 1960s. With its low reported mileage and desirable rocket engine, this car offers excellent restoration potential for collectors seeking an authentic, full-size American classic. Number 2. 1975 Plymouth Valiant, $4,000, Huntsville, Alabama. This 1975 Plymouth Valiant is a running and driving project with 71,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The seller notes that it mainly needs a replacement carburetor, while rust is limited to the trunk area. It remains drivable around town despite needing additional work. The Valiant is known for dependable mechanicals and inexpensive maintenance. With minimal structural rust and a reasonable asking price, this is an affordable classic for someone wanting a simple restoration project. Number 3. 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe, 2-door, $10,000, Hobart, Indiana. This 1985 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS is powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 with an Edelbrock intake manifold and Holley carburetor backed by an automatic transmission. It has received extensive maintenance including new brakes, wheel bearings, fuel system components, ignition parts, Dakota digital gauges, new audio equipment, and NASCAR-style wheels. The seller reports that it runs and drives well with only minor rust and wheel balancing needed. The 4th-generation Monte Carlo remains a favorite among General Motors enthusiasts. Its extensive upgrades and excellent interior make it a ready-to-enjoy street cruiser. Number 4. 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Coupe, $6,500, Waterloo, Illinois. This 1964 Chevrolet Corvair is a running and driving custom coupe with approximately 75,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a full air suspension system, custom striping, upgraded electronic ignition, pinned oil pan, valve covers, an extra engine, 2 wheel sets, and numerous spare parts. It only requires carburetor tuning and minor timing adjustments. The Corvair's rear engine design makes it one of America's most unique classics. This customized example offers plenty of personality and value for enthusiasts looking for something different. Number 5. 1977 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, 2-door, $2,600, Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1977 Ford Thunderbird has 90,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and reportedly remains in excellent mechanical condition. Recent improvements include a new air conditioning compressor, fuel tank, brake system, ignition components, fresh fluids, and detailed interior and exterior. The seller also reports no rust, leaks, or drivability concerns. The Thunderbird combines personal luxury with smooth V8 performance. At only $2,600, it represents exceptional value for a fully drivable classic. Number 6. 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, $3,500, Anamosa, Iowa. This 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe features a manual transmission and reportedly starts, runs, drives, and is capable of making the trip home. The seller also includes extra parts, adding value for future maintenance. Early post-war Plymouth models are admired for their rugged reliability and timeless styling. This affordable survivor offers a solid entry into classic car ownership. Number 7. 1964 Ford Falcon Futura Hardtop, $9,500. Newark, Illinois. This rust-free 1964 Ford Falcon Futura was originally a Nevada car and is powered by a stock 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It has received new brakes with a front disc conversion, fresh interior, new tires, fuel system components, exhaust, battery, and lighting. Only minor bodywork, weather stripping, and trunk finishing remain. The Falcon is respected for its simple engineering and dependable performance. With extensive mechanical restoration already completed, this hardtop offers an excellent balance of originality and usability. Number 8. 1979 Pontiac Bonneville 2-door, $8,500, Dolton, Illinois. This 1979 Pontiac Bonneville is by a 400 cubic inch V8 and features a new transmission, upgraded exhaust, fresh interior, modern audio system, 22-inch wheels, and new tires. The seller states that it both drives and looks excellent. Late 70s Bonnevilles deliver full-size comfort with impressive road presence. This customized example is ideal for buyers who appreciate classic style with modern upgrades. Number 9. 1970 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback Standard, $8,700, Elmwood Park, Wisconsin. This 1970 Volkswagen Type 3 Fastback has 80,885 miles and a manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs well and includes the original seats along with new tires and wheels. The Type 3 Fastback remains one of Volkswagen's most distinctive air-cooled classics. Its practical design and growing collector interest make it a unique alternative to the more common Beetle. Number 10. 1974 Porsche 914-916 Grand Touring Tribute Widebody, $9,904, Hudsonville, Michigan. This 1974 Porsche 914 Tribute features matching numbers, only 49,000 original miles, a 2-owner history, and a custom 916-style widebody conversion. It includes upgraded suspension, performance exhaust, a clean interior, and several spare parts. Although the engine starts and idles, the brakes and cosmetics require attention before it can be driven. The Porsche 914 has become increasingly collectible, and widebody tribute builds attract enthusiasts seeking distinctive styling. This example offers an exciting foundation for a rewarding restoration. Number 11. 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle, $7,250, Michigan City, Indiana. This 1974 Volkswagen Super Beetle features a manual transmission, sunroof, dual-port engine, and 118,000 miles. Recent maintenance includes a new carburetor, ignition components, distributor, brake parts, complete tune-up, and oil service. The seller also notes a restored interior and good paint. The Super Beetle remains one of the easiest and most affordable classics to maintain. This well-serviced example appears ready for enjoyable weekend driving. Number 12, 1985 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2-door, $6,200, Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. This 1985 Chevrolet Corvette has 110,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives very well while featuring a clean interior, new tires, new master cylinder, and new floor mats. The fourth-generation Corvette introduced modern handling and advanced technology for its era. At this price, it offers an affordable way to own an iconic American sports car. Number 13, 1976 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Coupe, $8,200, Chicago, Illinois. This 1976 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Coupe is powered by a Rocket 350 V8 with dual exhaust and an automatic transmission. It features power windows, power opera windows, a fairly new fuel tank, and air conditioning that only needs to be recharged. The seller describes it as a turnkey cruiser. The Delta 88 Royale is known for its smooth ride, durable drivetrain, and classic 70s styling. This solid driver offers comfort, distinctive looks, and dependable V8 performance for weekend cruising.